One of today's biggest challenges for infrastructure owners is to have an accurate understanding of the condition of their assets. Without up-to-date information, it is very difficult to maximize the value of the asset over its life cycle. A lack of accurate data makes it even more difficult to optimize the management of assets, preventing companies from applying a predictive maintenance approach rather than a run-to-failure strategy. Companies have now recognized that a different approach is essential to deliver the required change in asset performance and efficiency. Artificial intelligence, computer vision, drones, new sensors, they all offer potential solutions to support digital disruption, to improve the uptime of assets, increase predictability of asset performance, and ensure a complete understanding of the condition of the asset. But often, the true potential of new and disruptive technologies has been lost by a lack of understanding, or simply because the technology was not applied to the right problem in the right way. So the question is, how do we go from smart to smarter data? Sky Futures developed Expanse to help inspectors and engineers change the way asset inspection data is stored, analysed, reported on and shared. This enables asset owners to achieve significant OPEX savings and greater levels of asset efficiency. Expanse has introduced automation and data analysis to the industrial inspection workflow. With the application of drones, artificial intelligence and 3D technology, Expanse transforms inspection data into smarter, actionable information. Expanse employs a highly visual 3D world. All data is organised around your asset digital twin and is seamlessly linked to specific anomalies or observations. This makes the data fully accessible and your workflow very efficient. Expanse supports image data from drones, handheld cameras, or any other sensor, and it uses geolocation data to position the 2D data around the asset in a 3D world. The result is data that is linked to your asset. Expanse helps asset owners get inspections and maintenance done faster and more efficiently, allowing them to focus on what really matters, getting the right information to the right people. With Expanse, you can measure in 2D and 3D environments to accurately quantify anomalies and other observations, an essential engineering function if you're going to perform inspections and condition analysis of major infrastructure. Measuring and quantifying are the basis for trending and predicting the progression of identified anomalies. One of the main goals of Expanse is to automate the inspection workflow and introduce greater efficiency in tasks, like going through thousands of images to find anomalies. Expanse has incorporated machine learning and computer vision algorithms to automatically identify certain anomalies, such as corrosion. Another example of automation is the identification of objects. Imagine thousands of images of electric pylons to inspect. Expanse automatically searches through your data and presents the user with all images in which the required object appears. Expanse enables organizations to use image data to make inspection and maintenance decisions that reduce risk, reduce OPEX, and increase asset life. Expanse allows asset owners to make decisions based on the entire asset database, using historic data to identify and quantify problems over time. All this information is delivered to the end customer through different channels, from the traditional PDF engineering report to a more dynamic, cloud-based 3D world. Harness the power of your data and make smarter decisions with Expanse. Discover more at skyfutures.com.